Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10-Minute Trades, and I want to show you this week's Trade of the Week. It was interesting because something very unusual happened in the trade room, and I know you'll want to see it. So hang tight and let me show you what took place. The FOMC statement was very anticipated this week, and it was expected that the Fed would not raise or lower the interest rates. They would stand pat, and that's exactly what they did. As you know, you've seen a lot of our Trade of the Week videos. Our software puts our orders on the chart. I was trading the NQ futures today using the NinjaTrader platform. We had a very large bracket, 80 ticks above and below the current price. And what happened was the news came out, and you'll notice the candle shoots through my order and it doesn't affect the order. I don't get filled. In other words, I was not pulled into the trade. Sometimes when there's not a lot of liquidity, when there's not a lot of orders available, which sometimes can happen around a very potentially impactful news trade, orders will dry up. That's what happened. But let me show you what happened after. A couple of seconds after we thought the trade wasn't going to fill, my orders did fill, and I had to manage myself out of the trade, and I was able to grab a $240 profit. Had I not been paying attention, being prepared for anything that might happen, very possibly as the price pulled back, it might have stopped me out of the trade and I could have lost my profit. Now, I want to be honest, I was a little bit lucky in that I was paying very close attention. It's human nature when you don't get filled to drop your guard and not pay as close attention. In this particular event, and I'll show it to you one more time, I paid close attention. I managed my way intelligently out of the trade, and I was able to grab a $240 profit, which was my first target of 40 ticks. A very nice trade, and a very unusual trade because it initially did not fill, it didn't pull us into the trade, and then a delayed fill and an ability to manage the trade to a profit. The reason it's our Trade of the Week is because that's a very unusual event that also wound up being profitable. And I'd also like to show you my trading screen so you can see the profit more clearly. The Trade of the Week is not always about making the most money, but we like to make it about something interesting or educational that takes place, something bizarre, unusual, and the FOMC statement not getting filled and then getting filled was very unusual. $240 profit. This is Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the trade room next week.